For this section, I'll be showing you how to finish the sash's tying ribbon using the surface slip stitch technique. You'll first need to follow the crochet instructions to complete the 2 rows of the sash. To begin, get the color yarn that you want for the tying ribbon. I'm using this dark pink yarn here. Insert your hook in between the 2 rows of the sash and pull your yarn through like so. Leave a long yarn end for tying. Then insert your hook underneath the first stitch. Yarn over, pull through, and I'm just going to straighten my stitch there. Insert your hook underneath the next stitch, like so. Yarn over and pull through. When you pull through directly, that's going to create the slip stitch. So you're going to continue all the way across this area between the 2 rows, inserting your hook underneath each stitch and pulling through for your slip stitch. Once you finish slip stitching across to the very end, you are going to fasten off, leaving a long yarn end that's going to be the same length as the starting yarn end you've made. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it through, match it up to see how long I want the tail end to be, snip it, and there you have it. That's the belt, and how you're going to finish up is simply weaving in your ends and pulling the yarn in through to make it nice and secure, and I like them both to be on the bottom side. So yeah, there you have it. The back side looks noticeably different from the front side.